Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about my absolute favorite curling iron. It is the Hot Tools Professional 24 karat gold plated 1¼ inch barrel curling iron.
My hair type is very thin and fine, poker straight hair, and so to get a really good curl in it takes a little bit of effort usually, and that's why I really love this curling iron. The 24 karat barrel helps me actually create defined curls that will really last in my hair. Because it heats up quickly, it really holds the heat evenly. It actually goes up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty hot, but with the extra long cooling tip at the end, it makes it a lot easier to hold on to. The thumb grip itself is actually large and easy to use. And of course, I really love the 8-foot swivel cord. It itself moves, and so it just makes it really easy to maneuver. Overall, I've been so impressed with this brand of curling iron that I've actually ordered it in a couple of different sizes. But I will say that the 1¼ inch is usually my go-to. It's my favorite size. It just gets the job done.
And that's my point of view.